Welcome everyone to the Traders Market Intelligence Report. It's being brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy. This update is for Monday, the 30th. The 30th of October, 2023. Hope you have a great trading day today. I just want to dive right in because is gloating my thing? Not really, but today it is. So, what do you mean? Well, man, we need to talk about what's going on with the S&P and why it's happening the way that it is, right? So if I go ahead and shift this over, let's get some moving averages up there. We'll get a little bit of a zoom out effect. So since our last get together, where I said, and I quote, I actually should have gone back and looked at the exact phrase right here, last Friday. I said we're looking to attempt at that 42.1680 level, which was the recent swing low we hit. Below that, we had the 41.81 with the 41.85 confluence, and then the 10% correction. So what do? We come down on Monday and get right in its face. I mean, we were right flipping there on Monday with a low of, drum roll please, 41.89. Look, 4,181 is the level. 4,189 is where we got to a low. As far as I'm concerned, we hit it on that day, right? On Monday. We had a little bit of a gap up on Tuesday. It was a little bit of a bullish day. Wednesday, katoom! We come smashing back down on Wednesday. And let's see what the low on Wednesday was. The low on Wednesday was 41.81.42. So we're only up by 42 cents. Once again, crushing that level. On Thursday, we gap down. We stretch up and retest the 41.81 again before slamming down again today, breaking that 10% correction level, gone as of yesterday. We now have a 10% correction on the S&P 500, right? And we came down today with our low. Let's see where the low was. Low was 41.0378. We got 41.0398, 20 cents away from that fib level, right? And if we stretch this back so you can see it, right? That level, that 41.0398 comes right back from here on May 24th. All of this to say, listen, really, for me to say I'm right? No. Heck no, not the reason I'm doing it. Not at all. It's all to say, don't look at fibs and think they're just a whole bunch of lines on the screen and sooner or later we're going to hit them. We are running right to those levels. We're doing exactly what we said was going to happen. We're pushing right down into that. We've actually got to a point where we have violated now on our downside. We're hitting our lowest level here on our charts, right? So we're going to have to go back and use a previous fib in the future until we're able to draw a new one. And I'm going to analyze this over the weekend with my Power Option Plays group, and we're going to see if there's a new place we should be looking to draw our fibs from. But where do we go next? Well, we're at the 10% correction, or we broke the 10% correction. We're at the 41.04 level right now. If we go back and look left, we got 40.94. 40.94. Well, actually, you know what we're missing? We're missing a 4100 level. So let's get that in there. Let's change this to 4100. All right, so right there. Another confluence on top of it. So from there, we got 40.94 and we've got 40.31. Those are our two next downside targets if we continue to push. On the upside, we got to look at that 10% correction. It's going to be a major number that traders are focused on. And then that 41.81 is the next upside. When we look at the VIX today, right? Huge bounce on the VIX. We're up 63 cents. Look at that candle. We're still in the green zone, right? Life is good, but a big bounce, a big move to the upside today on VIX. So S&P 500, real excited about the opportunities there. We are in a true bearish bias. You want the best opportunity to be right in the trade? Stay with bearish trades for now. Until we get out of true bearish bias, if you're going to do anything directional, do it as a day trade only, would be my thought. On the downside, plenty of opportunity to go. All right, have a great one. I will see you at our next update. Bye for now.